Because me did drop asleep. That don't count. Hello, hello. Yo, me phone, I breathe funny.
Good day, sir. Thank you for calling customer care. How may I assist you today?
Assist? My data disappeared like Duppy in the daylight.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir. May I have your number, please?
Number? Me sure Uno already have it. Uno bill me every month.
Sir, for verification purposes, I still need you to state it.
All right. But if me get scammed, your fault.
I understand, sir. Please go ahead.
876. Wait, yo, me forget me own number.
Sir, are you calling from the phone in question?
Yes, but me can't trust it right now.
Sir, the number is on the screen.
Oh, technology too bright. Okay, it is 876.
Thank you. How can I help today?
Me buy 5 GB data yesterday. Now me phone say ESO.
The E means edge, sir.
Edge? Me never buy no knife.
No, sir. Network edge.
So why me data sharp and still cut off?
Sir, let me check your usage. Hold on.
Check it gentle, please. Me data timid.
Sir, it shows you stream videos for 6 hours.
Lies. Me only watch 3 videos.
Sir, each video was 2 hours.
Because me did drop asleep. That don't count.
Unfortunately, sir, sleep streaming still uses data.
So me phone rob me when me asleep?
Sir, the phone follows instructions.
Me never tell it to keep playing.
Sir, autoplay was enabled.
Autoplay? Who is Auto and why him touching me phone?
Sir,
Can you fire Auto?
it is a setting on the phone. I can help you turn it off.
Please do. Auto too active.
All right. Go into your phone settings.
Me in settings. Me see something say about phone.
Don't read about it, sir. Adjust it.
It say me storage full. How me phone fat so fast?
Maybe because you have 4,000 memes saved, sir.
Those are important documents.
Sir, one of the videos is just a goat dancing.
That goat motivate me.
Understood, sir, but it takes up a lot of your phone space.
So me data gone. Add me phone obese.
Well, sir, in simple terms, yes, I guess it does.
What kind of wickedness is this?
Would you like a data plan recommendation?
As long as Auto don't come back, you hear. As long as Auto don't come back, you hear me.
The autoplay will stay disabled this time, sir.
Hey, I promise that. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. On the customer care oath,
All right. Give me a small plan then. Me pocket humble.
we have a night plan that starts at midnight.
Midnight? Me a go sleep then.
Then you won't be able to use the data, sir. But don't worry, I can help you with that.
Yo! Uno really smart in no.
Thank you, sir, but if I have to explain it one more time, I might just have to start charging you an hourly rate for my time.
All right, agent. Thank you, Faye. You help.
Okay, sir, I'm happy to help.
Tell Auto sorry for me. You hear?
I will pass along the message, sir.
Respect.
Thank you for calling customer care. Have a blessed day.
I man gone.